Hey everybody, Scott Burnette here. Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another video. So glad everybody got to join in today. I hope everybody's having a great day. Today is Thursday. Trying to do one video every day. This one probably won't go out till tomorrow if I can make it. So one day this week, I got a text message from my aunt, and she followed the instructions that I gave for the iPhone to update it to iOS 15.6.1. Now this is August 25th, 2022. We had some security threats and all, so I'm telling everybody, go ahead and get it updated. You know, make sure you're safe. Make sure your phone's backed up first, but then do it. So in her text message, she said, okay, I followed that. It worked. How about making a video on the Apple Watch? How to set one up. And right here, let me hold it up. I have my Apple Watch Series 4, and I have set it back to factory default. Now, I've had this thing for three years now, I guess. Been a great watch. You know, it's not a Rolex or anything, but if you want to get your text messages and notifications and all of those emails and stuff through your wrist, that's the way to go. So we are going to follow the instructions step by step on how to set this guy back up. So I'm going to go and pull my phone up on the screen so you can see it. So you can do it two ways. You can do it with the phone or without the phone, but it's a whole lot easier with the phone. So we're going to do it that route today. Links for the instructions in the description. So let's go ahead and get started on it. Okay, I am recording my screen. Yes, I am. So I'm going to pull the instructions back up on here. Okay. So to set up your Apple Watch, you will need a new Apple Watch or an old one. It's one that's completely blank. You need at least an iPhone 6S or later with iOS 15 or later. You need the latest software update. That's the biggest thing. In the instructions, it shows you how to identify your phone model and how to update your phone. It says before you begin, update your phone to the latest version of iOS. And I'll show you. We'll go to settings. We'll go to general and about. And under software version, you see 15.6.1. So we are covered on that. All right, make sure your phone has Bluetooth turned on and it's connected to Wi-Fi or a cellular network. So I'm going to put my watch on. Going to do that. Now we are going to hold the side button until you see the Apple logo. And this is turning it on. So you have a side button right here underneath the crown. The Apple logo. All right, now number 2, we're going to hold our Apple Watch close to the iPhone. So I've got it right here. So we're going to hold it close. Hopefully you'll be able to see it on the screen what I'm fixing to do. So once your watch boots up, we're going to hold it close. See, now it says Apple Watch, use your iPhone to set up this Apple Watch. I'm going to hit continue. Now this one requires a Series 4 GPS or cellular or later. I'm going to set it up for myself. Okay, now it's going to turn the camera on and it's going to grab that code. And it's just that fast. Now I'm going to set it up as a new Apple Watch. And it's going to connect to the Apple Watch. And you'll see that right there. And you'll need to have your Apple ID and password. It's going to ask you for that here in just a second. Okay, you got to agree the terms and conditions. We'll figure out how long this takes too. I think it's been 5 minutes now. 4 minutes. We'll see how long it takes all the way through. Okay. Apple Watch shares settings with iPhone for location, Find My Phone, Siri, Analytics, improvements. Some WatchOS and app may use it. Blah, blah, blah. We hit OK. Do I want bold text? I don't think I do. Now, if your eyesight's not good, probably need to. Okay, I'm going to create a passcode. And what you do, it gives you a little numpad and you punch it in. Okay, now you got to re-enter it. Okay, now it asks you if you want to keep your Apple Watch up to date. You can do it manually or you can let your phone do it. So I'm going to hit continue. I'm going to let my phone do it. There's actually an update out right now. It's WatchOS 8.7 or something. You can always tell it's doing something. It's got the little pinwheel up there. Okay, Apple Pay. We'll set this up later in the Watch app, but if you have your wallet in your phone with your card, it'll work with that. So you can lay this down on the pad at a store or whatever. But we'll set this up later in the Watch app. Emergency SOS and fall detection. It can actually call emergency services if you want it to. Okay, you can install available apps like the health apps, your camera apps, your Nest thermostat. We got that on there. The home app, all that stuff. But I'll choose later. You want a grid view or list view? I like the list view on mine. You have either one. All right, now it is syncing up, and right there you can see it'll go around in a little circle as it's syncing. And what it's doing is copying files from the phone over to the watch and back and forth and back and forth. So depending on how much data you have, it'll take longer. As you can see, I didn't install apps and all that stuff right here. I didn't do the Apple Pay, so hopefully it won't take as long. You can go ahead and use your phone as you normally would. It's going to take just a little while, so we'll come back. It's only got what, 4, 6, 8. So it's going to take a little bit. We'll come back in just a minute. One thing that I have noticed, just something crazy, I was updating my iPad to the new beta the other day, and then I updated my phone to the latest update. Now I'm updating the watch. And right here on the top left, my clock on all 3 devices has said 9:41. I don't know if that shuts off the clock and puts just a standard number up there or what that is, but 3 times now that's happened. I think I'll look that up and see what that is, because that's odd. Okay, we're still going. Okay, we're at 16 minutes for the whole video. I finally seen where I'm doing this down here, so, and we're almost halfway with the file sync, so. Okay, it just chimed. And it's, oh heck. And there it is. Now it doesn't have all my apps running on it, but that's it. All right, it says welcome to Apple Watch. You'll hit OK. Now from here you can go in and download all your faces. There's just a ton of watch faces you can put on it. What I did, I cleared all mine out, so I had to go back and do that. I'll have to add my apps and my Google Pay, not Google Pay, Apple Pay. But you can go in. You can check your software updates. I actually have an update to 8.7 that I need to put on it. Automatic app installs. Enable handoff. Nightstand mode. You can do all this stuff with it. You can go to the face gallery and you can pick faces. You can do all kind of stuff there. There's just a whole bunch of them. You can pick and choose whichever you want. Then it has a bunch of tutorials where you can go in and watch and see how to do things. So there we go. The Apple Watch is set up. So Matty Sue, I hope that helps you. If it doesn't, call me. We will walk through it. So anyway, hope y'all enjoy this video. Hope you get something out of it. Hit that like button. Hit that subscribe button. Hit that bell to be notified. It's over there. I keep going the wrong direction for some reason. But I hope everybody's having a great day and a great week. If you have set up your Apple Watch before, let me know. Just leave me a comment. Say, I've done it. If you got any questions about it, leave me a question. I answer all the questions. All of them. So, but I guess we'll end it right there. I hope everybody's doing well. And got several more videos coming up this weekend, so stay tuned. But like I always say, until the next video, thanks for watching. Look what time it is.